In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Word faster by hiding images. If you're working on a long Microsoft Word document that contains a lot of images, drawings, and text boxes, Word may become slower to work with. One way to improve performance is to temporarily hide these visual elements while you focus on the text. This can also be useful when you want to work with the text without the distraction of images and other objects. Keep in mind that some figures and other visual elements may also be hidden depending on how they are positioned in the document. To begin, select the File tab on the ribbon. This will take you to the Backstage view. Next, select Options. When the Word Options dialog box appears, select the Advanced tab. Now scroll down until you find the Show Document Content section. This section contains settings that control how different types of content are displayed while you're working in Word. Look for the option called Show Drawings and Text Boxes on Screen. Remove the checkmark from this option. This will hide drawings and text boxes from the document while you're working. Depending on how the images are positioned in your document, some images may also be hidden when this option is turned off. The important thing is that the visual elements are no longer displayed on screen, allowing you to work with the text more easily. Once you've changed the setting, select OK to apply the changes. You should now notice that the drawings and text boxes are no longer visible in the document. Images affected by this setting will also be hidden from view. Remember that hiding these elements doesn't delete them from your document. They remain in the file, so your original content is still there. You're simply changing how these objects are displayed while you're working. When you're ready to show the visual elements again, go back to the File tab and select Options. Select the Advanced tab and scroll down to the Show Document Content section again. Find Show Drawings and Text Boxes on Screen and place the checkmark back on the option. When you're finished, select OK. The drawings, text boxes, and other affected visual elements should now appear normally again. This setting can be especially helpful when you're working with documents that contain many visual elements and you want a cleaner workspace while focusing on the text. And that's it! You've now learned how to make Microsoft Word faster by hiding images and other visual elements without removing them from your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,